Manka channel, hurry up. You're wasting my time, bro.
Went to Ghana, now I'm acting up. It's so cool to be from Africa. It's so cool to be from Africa. Tell the truth, it was cool. That was too cool to be back. That was cool to be from Africa. That was cool to be from Africa. Went to Ghana, now I'm acting.
Yo!
Went to Ghana, now I'm acting.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Manka. Now this is mind-blowing. It's unbelievable. Reaching 10,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. It's really unbelievable. This is insane. These guys crashed it. They cheated their YouTube algorithm, and I really want to share with you how they did it. And in the next few days they reached 20,000. 20,000, not even in a week, but in the next 2 days they reached 20,000 subscribers.
While recording this video, we've hit 20k subscribers, and just wanted to say thank you on behalf of Manka and E. Would like to thank you, our family, and also a lot of people have come up with the name ME. What was it? ME Squad. ME Squad. So,
and I'm going to share with you everything, how they did it. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe and smash that bell button so you will never miss any videos from me. This is the story of how these guys were able to make it, to set this unbelievable record. They were having an interview with one of Africa's most popular and most loved YouTuber, Wodemaya. For those who don't know Wodemaya is an African YouTuber who is moving around African countries, showing the positive, the beautiful parts of Africa which don't be shown on TV, and changing the narrative of Africa. These guys came from the diaspora and they settled in Ghana, but their story was so touching. And here Wodemaya went on and told all his subscribers to go and subscribe to these guys' YouTube channel.
It's by force. When Wodemaya says it's by force, we need to, these are the people we need to support. So if you're watching this video, I don't want you to continue. I mean, you can just go and come back later. All you need to do is to stop watching the video, go to their YouTube channel, check the description box. I'm going to put a link in there. It's by force to go and subscribe to the channel to support them.
And the results were insanely unbelievable. Really unbelievable. Growing up a channel is not easy, but these guys made it. They made it. And the most interesting thing, after Wodemaya monitoring the growth of their YouTube channel, he came back to their house the following day and he congratulated them. He celebrated the achievement with them. He came with a bottle of champagne to celebrate this achievement these guys had got, and I really loved it. I really liked it.
To support it. That was scary, bro. It's the United Thank you. Give me a glass. Oh, we gotta have fun today.
It was really very, very inspiring. Very inspiring. Now this is one of the ways you can grow your channels, by making collaborations. Collaborations can really boost your YouTube growth. If you land on the right YouTuber who is in line with your niche, that is really very, very helpful. It will help your channel to grow very rapidly. For example, Wodemaya makes videos about the people in the diaspora coming back to Africa, showing them the beauty of Africa, showing them what is not being shown on TV. You know, there are a lot of negative things shown about Africa, and all those things being shown on TV, on the news, on the internet about Africa are kind of suppressing the positive side, the good things in Africa. And Wodemaya is trying to change that narrative about Africa.
Traveling in the motherland has really humbled me. There is a saying that don't listen to what they say, but go and see things for yourself. Go live your life. Go learn something new and make sure you explore. Traveling in Africa has really opened my mind. This is Mozambique.
Bem-vindo a Moçambique!
I can't believe that I'm standing in front of the great man who ever lived. I personally have so much respect for this man because he was the one who redeemed its people from almost 500 years of colonization. Samora Moses Machel.
Don't forget to comment, like and share. That will help the growth of this channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll never miss any videos from me. I'm leaving the links in the description, which will take you to Wedema's channel if you need to check it out, and Manka and Vlogs channel. Thank you. Peace.